Welcome to my video. Today we are gonna test out this new product which I bought. It's a chain cleaner. See all that gunk over there? Okay, I think from here is better. Yeah, you can see my chain is quite beat up as it is. I'm just gonna wash it. I don't put my front pocket cover because I don't like it. Yeah, the sun is almost setting, so I gotta do it fast. This is my first time using it. It's a S100 chain cleaner power gel. They say you don't need to scrub it or anything, so that's what I'm trying to do. As you can see from here, there's one shiny part at the engine. I'm gonna spray this all matte black. I may spray this matte black too. That part is blanked out. I'm just gonna spray one coat of matte black so that doesn't look too glossy. Okay, this guy is a bogus dentist. This is revenge, brother. Okay, justice is served. While waiting for the S100's chain cleaner to work its magic and for the paint to dry, we're gonna spray this gear pedal. Alright, let's go. As you can see, it's almost sunset. And there's my bike. That tail light has got to go, man. Got to go soon to the dustbin. Okay, now we're gonna wash this part off with water. Okay, looks like we have to scrub it a bit. I don't have an actual scrubber, so I'm just gonna use some newspaper that I have. Is it supposed to be this loose? Okay guys, sun is setting and the bike's chain is sort of clean. We found out that the chain is super loose. Yeah, you can see it like shining a bit. This chain has been here for like 1 year. I think it's time to change anyway. That yellow thing wasn't yellow before, so that's good. And around to this side, and the clutch cover is matte black already. Looks good. It's all dried up. Texture is good. And right now we're just waiting on this to dry up. That's all for today. In conclusion is, if you want to use this and your chain is really dirty, just have a brush. Just use a brush, you know. My rating for this is 8 out of 10. That's 8 out of 10 for this chain cleaner. That's quite high, huh? Yeah. So yeah. The end. Okay guys, fast forward a few days later. The paint has dried up and I installed the rear brake pedal. Everything looks good, man. Wanted to get the aftermarket trigger pedal, but that's too expensive, man. 120 just for that. Yeah, it looks better just like that, you know. Sprayed matte black. It may not be much of a difference, but to the owner, you know, you see the bike every day, you notice every single small details about the bike, and if it makes you feel better, why not? Chain is still surviving, So that's good. I also cleaned up the cockpit. I got rid of the IU mount over there and I moved it here, and I just cleaned up the rest. It looks a bit better than before. I don't know if y'all seen it before, but yeah, now it looks like that. Okay, here's the bike from the front view. Nice. Thanks for watching. Peace.